Yesterday we were solving exercise number 8.3. Question number 4th main, 5th one, right? Yes. One of the difficult example in this exercise. 5th one. Put down the question. 5th one. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay. You see here, left hand side you can see cos A sin A. Right hand side you can see cosec A cot A. Cosec A cot A. So LHS we can write in the form of RHS, means cosec and cot. LHS we can write in the form of cosec and cot. Is it possible? By this only it's not possible. So we need to multiply and divide some extra terms. Yes, see here. LHS we can write first. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. So I am telling you to write this cos and sin in the form of cosec and cot. How? Here it is cos is there. If I divide this cos to sin, you will get cot. If I divide 1 upon sin, you will get cosec. Am I right? Yes. Divide sin A to both numerator and denominator. To both NR means numerator and denominator. That is cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by sin A. Similarly to the denominator, cos A plus sin A minus 1 whole divided by sin A. Okay. So now we can separate the terms. Separately we can divide the terms. Cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin. Am I right? In denominator also we can separate the terms. Divided by cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Am I right? Yes. Now cos A upon sin A, cot A. Cos A upon sin A, cot A. So you can write here cot A. Sin upon sin 1 minus 1. 1 upon sin, yes, plus cosec A. 1 upon sin cosec A divided by cos upon sin cot A plus 1 minus 1 upon sin cosec A. So here just I will rearrange the terms. In numerator also I will rearrange. In denominator also I will rearrange the terms. See here, cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Am I right? No changes. Just I rearrange the terms. But in question they have given one hint. Use the identity cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Means 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, right? So how can you write 1? 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Am I right? 1 as a cosec square theta minus cot square theta? Yes, I can write. Cot A write as it is, cot A plus cosec A write as it is. Here numerator 1, not a denominator 1, denominator write as it is. Why I will tell you later. So numerator 1 you can write in the form of cosec square and cot square minus cosec square A minus cot square A, because 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Am I right? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So here I am transferring this cosec square to right hand side. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So transfer this cot square theta to right hand side. It becomes 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So in place of 1 I am just writing cosec square A minus cot square A. So denominator cot A minus cosec A plus 1. See, this denominator will get cancelled, so that's what I am writing denominator as it is. And see the right hand side, RHS, cosec A plus cot A in numerator, not in denominator. So that's what this 1 I expressed as a cosec square minus cot square A. So now first term write as it is, cot A, second term cosec A. See this bracket, cosec square A minus cot square A is looks like A square minus B square. So what is the expansion of A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. So minus of cosec A plus cot A into bracket cosec A minus cot A plus B into A minus B. So now denominator write as it is. Denominator as it is. That is cot A minus cosec A plus 1. See here, this is the first term and this is the second term. Two terms are here, first and second. In first equation cot A plus cosec A is there. In second equation cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A is there. Am I right? So now cot A plus cosec A is common. Take it outside. Cot A plus cosec A. So remaining term 1, only 1 minus into bracket cosec A minus cot A, bracket complete. So whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Another one step, you will get the answer. Cot A plus cosec A write as it is, cot A plus cosec A into bracket 1 minus cosec A minus cosec A, minus into minus, plus cot A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. See here, cot A minus cosec A plus 1, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Same terms, right? So these two equations will get cancelled. So remaining term only cot A plus cosec A. That is your RHS. So remaining term only cot A plus cosec A. So this is your RHS. It's not down. Hello. ಇಲ್ಲ हजार ಬಂದಲ್ಲ Is any doubts here? One more example is the same kind that I will do next. Let's finish. Note down fast. So one more example. Same kind of example, but here we can use different identity. Second identity we can use 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon sec square theta. Use the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. After solving, you can understand where we have to write 1 as a sec square minus tan square and cosec square minus cot square, and where we have to divide by cos theta and where we have to divide by sin theta. Okay? Yeah, see the first example. First example, I think cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Am I right? So there we divided by sin. Am I right? There we divided by sin. And their numerator 1, we write it as a cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Am I right? Their numerator 1, we write it as a cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So here we are dividing by cos. Why? Reason. Here we are dividing by cos. Why? Reason. Because the proof RHS side, right hand side, is in the form of sec and tan. Sec and tan. So you have to convert this sin and cos in the form of sec and tan. Yes, sir. So proof. So you can take left hand side. LHS is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 LHS side sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So divide cos theta to the numerator and denominator. Divide cos theta to both numerator and denominator. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta whole divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. Minus 1 upon cos theta. So now we can separate the terms sin theta upon cos theta minus cos theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta whole divided by sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. Am I right? Yes. Now sin upon cos tan theta. So now LHS also in the form of tan and sec. Tan theta minus cos get cancelled, 1 minus 1 plus 1 upon cos sec theta divided by, now denominator sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta, cos get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 upon cos is sec theta. Yes, in question they said that use the identity 1 is equal to sec square root theta minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now you can tell me, even numerator also having 1 and denominator also having 1. Which one should I write it as a sec square theta minus tan square theta? Denominator or numerator? But in previous example I wrote in numerator. Why? Because the RHS side is in numerator. Now RHS side is in denominator. So denominator 1 you can write it as a sec square theta minus tan square theta. So let's use the terms first. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay. So identity we know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Numerator write as it is. Do not disturb to the numerator. So these terms you can write as it is. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 we can write it as sec square theta minus tan square theta. Yes. Now this equation sec square theta minus tan square theta looks like a square minus b square. So remaining terms you can write as it is. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus a square minus b square expansion a plus b into a minus b, that is sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. See which term is common here? No terms common. Here it is tan theta minus sec theta. Here it is sec theta minus tan theta. So you can make the same terms, same equations by taking minus sign as a common. If you take minus sign as a common, so this also become what? Tan theta minus sec theta or sec theta minus tan theta. Here I will take the minus sign common. Okay. So tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Here I am taking minus sign common here. Minus of sec theta minus tan theta plus remaining term same as it is. Are you getting me? Here I took minus sign common. Minus into tan minus tan. Minus into minus sec plus sec. So minus is common. So plus sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. So now sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta is common. Take it outside. So numerator write as it is. that is tan theta minus, sorry, plus sec theta minus 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta is common. So remaining term is minus 1. Remaining term is minus 1. Minus 1 plus, here remaining terms are sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta. See here also tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. So these equations get cancelled. So the remaining term 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. So this is your RHS, hence the proof. Note down. Do you have any doubts here? If you have doubts also you can ask. Enable. Dana, what else? What about you guys? Your doubts? Where is your friend? Jean-Pierre. Where is he? Is he alive or not? Huh? Still he is alive. God bless. Whom I asked you now? Huh? Whom I asked you? ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಯಿನಾಥ್. Tell him he will not pass 10 standard. Okay, not only my subject, all subjects. I will make him fail. You can tell him. Convey my message to him. Okay? Any doubts? Again, we can take exercise problem. Now, sixth one, under root 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Write on this. Did you complete this? This question, previous one question. So many times applied in the board examination. Just for 3 marks. Yes. Question number 6. Exercise example. Question number 6. Under root 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A is equal to sec A plus tan A. See, whenever the examples will get like this, means surds, under roots. So you have to rationalize the denominator. Always rationalize the denominator. Here, numerator is also having the root, square root, and denominator is also having the square root. So what is the meaning of rationalizing? Rationalizing means what? Rationalizing the denominator means converting irrational number into a rational number. So its under root means it's always an irrational number, except the perfect squares like root 4, root 6, root 9, root 16, root 25, etc. So proof, LHS we can take. LHS side, that is under root 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A. So the rationalizing factor, what is the rationalizing factor? Yes, under root 1 plus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A. Am I right? Yes, under root 1 plus sine A whole square divided by 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. We will write that up. 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. So numerator seems like A plus B into A minus B. Numerator write as it is. Numerator write as it is. 1 plus sine A whole square divided by 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A is nothing but A square minus B square. That is 1 square is 1 minus B square is sine square A. You know the identities. First identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And sub identities, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Here, TikTok and Instagrams, there you all are making the reels, just singing the lip, but not getting correct answer, not telling the correct answer. Many are there here, I know, they are just sinking their lips, but not telling anything. You know who you are. Yes, 1 plus sine whole square, 1 minus sine square. So identities you know, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. So under root 1 plus sine A whole square divided by cos square theta. Because identity, trigonometric identity, first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta, and 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. See here, numerator is also having the square and denominator is also having the square. What I will do? Under root 1 plus sine A divided by cos A whole square. Cos A whole square. Here square root get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. Only the remaining terms 1 plus sine A divided by cos A. So now you can separate the terms 1 upon cos A plus sine A upon cos A. 1 upon cos A is nothing but sec A and sine A upon cos A is nothing but tan A. So this is your RHS. Hence the proof. Note down. I told you only. Imagine it is. Huh? Already it is you know? No. Yes or no? Huh? No. So the second identity 1 plus sine square theta is equal to Any are not moving here? You guys, 1 plus transfer data? Huh? Don't go ahead. Okay. Time will teach you a lesson. Just wait. You don't listen to your parents, you don't listen to your teachers. Just enjoy. Don't do anything. First thing I told you, update your work, bat all the identities, bat all the trigonometric functions, all the ratios. I am telling you here, 15% of the students will understand. Remaining 85% understanding anything. Simply copying from the board. That is what donkey work you are doing here. I know very well. If you are not getting the solution, you are taking the Google help. You are taking YouTube help. What is the use? Try to solve your own. I told you many times. Then what you know? Well, you know the identities. You don't know the identities. Correct? You want ratios, you know? Can you tell how to define sine? Sine theta is equal to tan theta. No. See, one thing I will tell you, don't cheat to your parents. Everybody. Come with some purpose. For passing the time, don't come here. Do not waste your time. Then without knowing sine theta, cos theta, how you will learn this chapter trigonometry? Without knowing algebraic identities, how you will solve these kind of examples? No, not possible at all. Be serious. You are in 10th standard. Under 3 months, after 3 months, you are going to write the board examinations. You don't have any seriousness. Whether you will score 100%, whether you will score good marks or bad marks, you are the responsible for that. Do not blame anyone. Do not blame your parents. Do not blame school. Do not blame any teacher. Keep in your mind. Nimma yelgege nive dari deepa. Whatever it happened, even if you score 100% also, that is your efforts, your abilities. If you score 30%, yes, you are the responsible for that. Not any teacher, not any parent, not any school. Keep in your mind. We are just a guider, we are showing the way. If you are not updating your work, if you are not doing work, means what we can do? See, all the teachers are enjoying now. Then what is the use of conducting these classes now? Special classes, what is the use? Tell me now, what is the use? Why you people not understanding? Your parents investing lot of money on you. Why you people not understanding? At least feel their struggle. Do not listen teachers, do not listen school, leave it. At least you can listen to your parents, no? Why they are investing this much of money? They have lots of hope on you. Don't spoil their hope. ತಿಳಿದದ್ದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೋ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೋ ಅಂತ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಕುಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಿಂತು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. 100 ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. After completing each and every example, every problem, do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? I know very well. I am not such a fool and dumb fellow. I know only 15% of the students are understanding, remaining 85% not understanding this. I know very well. But no one ready to ask the question. The first thing, the fault is with you, not with the teachers. Why? You don't know the basics. Without knowing algebraic identities, you came here. Yes, sir. Most of the students don't know algebraic identities. You have time. You can read. No, you are not ready to read. Come with some purpose. Wherever you go, whether you are going to school or college, whatever, that doesn't matter. Go with some purpose. For what purpose you are coming here? Gaining the knowledge, acquiring the knowledge. Yes, sir. Hard work leads to knowledge. Knowledge leads to success. If you are not ready to do hard work, if you are not ready to struggle, then you do not expect the results. And you will never become a successful person. ತಿಳಿತಾ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಭೋಸಲೆ? ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್? ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ? ಕಲರ್ ಕಲರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ? ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಓಡರ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, another 3 months ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Already timetable declared. I think March 14th exams are going to start. So we are in the month of October. Another 3 months has to be go. That is November, December, January. Finish. What you will do? And don't expect that teachers will come there and help. No, such kind will not happen. Even last time also it was not happen. And last time I told you many times, it was a very simple and very easy question paper. But this time you will get the competency based questions. Education department openly said, this time question paper should be difficult, hard for out of out, not like last time. I told you, 17,000 something students scored out of out in Hindi, 6,000 something students scored out of out in mathematics, because question paper was too easy. This time it will not happen. This time you will get the competency based questions. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ. So you can prepare your own timetable. Every day do some whatever the work is there that you have to complete every day. Small changes makes a big difference. If you are not ready to change, then you will not expect the good results, because old habits never gives the good results. How I was in 9th standard, the same thing I will continue in 10th standard. No, then you don't expect any results. You will survive, don't worry. And you will pass, don't worry. Just like 40-50% you can do. Even your parents got disappointed, you also got disappointed. That time you will blame the teachers, you will blame the school and teachers not do anything. ತಿಳಿತಾ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಹೋಗೋದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು? ನಾನಾಯ್ತು ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆದ. Hardly 7 to 8 students are solving. Then remaining no results, nothing. Then what is the use? All teachers are coming here, just bombarding and going, and you are also just writing. Keep on writing, but not studying, not reading anything. Don't have a proper plan. Don't have a proper strategy. Then how you will reach the goal? Whatever you do the plan first. ಅದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. See the government school situation. Again 10 days, I think 10 days holidays extended. Then how they will learn? How they will score? You are getting all the opportunities, you are getting all the facilities, but all the you people not ready to do. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? Stop wasting the time. So try to prove yourself who you are. ತಿಳಿತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? It's time ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ. Another 3 months we have. So you can utilize each and every second. This time is a priceless. It is a precious time. ತಿಳಿತಾ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ? ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿಂದನೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. See numerator. First LHS side you can write. LHS sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus cos theta. In numerator, sin theta is common. Am I right? Yes. Take it outside. Sin theta. Remaining term 1 minus 2 times of sin square theta divided by, in denominator, cos theta is common. Take it outside. Cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus 1. Sin theta upon cos theta? Tan theta. Remaining term 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now we try to eliminate this. Already we got the answer tan theta, because right hand side only we have one term, that is tan theta. So now we try to eliminate this value, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we know the identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Using that, is it possible? Yes? Yes? Yes, we can try. We will see later. So tan theta, right, as it is, tan theta into bracket 1. So in place of 1, instead of 1, I can write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 times of sin square theta. Am I right? Divided by 2 cos square theta, right, as it is, 2 cos square theta minus again 1, I will write it as a sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay? Yes, now tan theta, right, as it is, tan theta into bracket. See here, sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. 1 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta minus sin square theta. Bigger number sign is minus, correct? So minus sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by. So just I will remove this bracket and I multiply this minus sign to this bracket. 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. So tan theta, right, as it is, tan theta into bracket minus sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta, 1 cos square theta plus 1, because the bigger number sign is plus 2. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. See, cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta get cancelled. So your answer is tan theta into 1 is tan theta. This is your answer. No. Tomorrow only 2 classes have, Hindi and chemistry. Tomorrow I am not available, so my class is not there. Again I will continue on Monday. How many activities completed in mathematics? 4 or 2? Only 2. Yes. Monday I will assign 2 more activities. Okay? So in this holiday only you can complete all the activities. The rest of the months you will get time to study. Few of the girls not serious about study, so take the resolution today itself. Girls, those who are weak in mathematics, I am telling to you only. Yava, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ three more examples are there. At least 8th one you can try in your home. Very simple example. Sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Here just can use the identity a plus b whole square. That is sin square a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin into cosec. Their sin and cosec get cancelled because the reciprocal of sin is 1 upon cosec, correct? So that will get cancelled. So again, cos a plus sec a whole square is there. Cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a into sec a. Again cos and sec get cancelled. 2 plus 2, 4. Remaining terms, sin square a plus cosec square a plus cos square a plus sec square a. Again sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus cosec square a plus sec square a. Cosec square is nothing but 1 plus tan square a. And sec square is nothing but 1 plus cot square a. 2 more 1 come there. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Remaining term tan square a plus cot square a. Simple examples are there. So it's the time to wind up the class. So I will continue on Monday. Okay? Despite your best. Who's lecturer?